They will never ignore you again after listening to this meditation. Today is the day everything shifts. Today is the day your energy becomes undeniable, magnetic, radiant, and completely unforgettable. After this meditation, your specific person won't be able to resist the powerful, loving force that you are. They won't be able to stop thinking about you, dreaming about you, and being drawn to you in ways they never have before. From this moment on, your energy is declaring, I am the one. I am the love of their life. I am unforgettable. They feel it. They feel the shift. I am a beacon of love. I am radiating the exact frequency of connection. I am radiating the exact frequency of reunion. I am radiating the exact frequency of soul deep intimacy. They are thinking of me right now. Their heart is aching to hear my voice. I am in their dreams. I am in their thoughts before they sleep. I am in their thoughts before they wake. I know what I deserve. I know what is already mine. This love is mine. This person is mine. This life is already mine. I am breathing in this truth. I am magnetic. I am loved. I am chosen. I am desired. I am unforgettable. I am the most important person in their life. They feel a gravitational pull towards me. My energy is so powerful. My energy is so undeniable. I am someone who is loved. I am someone who is chosen. I am someone who is prioritized. They are obsessing over me in the most beautiful way. They admire me. They respect me. They are amazed by my growth. They feel drawn to my peace. They feel drawn to my joy. They feel drawn to my power. They love me. They want me. They can feel me so intensely. They suddenly feel the need to check in on me. They suddenly feel the need to reach out. They suddenly feel the need to reconnect. I receive their texts. I receive their calls. I receive their invitations. I receive their commitment. I receive their lifelong bond. My voice is music to them. My energy is healing to them. My presence is home to them. They crave me. They are drawn back to me. I am a force of love. They are pulled toward me like a magnet. Their soul remembers my heart. Their heart belongs to me. They are making their way back to me now. I left a mark on their soul. My energy is unshakable. I am love. I am irresistible. They are feeling the tug on their heart. I am radiating irresistible love. I am desired deeply. I am worthy. They are calling. They are texting. They are dreaming. They are remembering. They are on their way back to me now. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they come to me now to affirm. And if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations.